I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Bea.
With Two Taste, and we are here with a really fun recipe for a shaved carrot salad that has gone viral on YouTube. And so we really wanted to just share it with you and see how it tastes ourselves. So Chef Bea is going to start by shaving the carrots with
this fancy peeler. So this peeler is made for like cutting, it's called like a julienne, so like a strip or stick. And then I'm gonna use the fork. We actually saw another, it was a TikTok video. Instead of holding the end of the carrot with your hands, if you do the fork, it's just safer. And I'm just gonna keep peeling or shaving, if you will, and keep on going. And you'll notice we didn't take off the very outside of the carrot because there's actually like a ton of nutrition there. So we'll leave that up to you. We don't mind it.
And this carrot salad has mostly Asian flavors or an Asian flair, but you know what, we're at home and we love, with Two Taste, using whatever we have. Like that's most important to us because we know if we have to go out to the grocery store and grab something just to make one recipe, it's not gonna happen. It's truly a waste of time to us, and we have busy lives. So we would say use rice vinegar, but you know what? Today we are going to use apple cider.
Ooh, and I already smell it.
Okay, and then next, I have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or low sodium.
We have leftover.
Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I love the smell of that.
I do too.
Tablespoon of oil. Okay, how are you doing on your carrots?
Held up. I think they look like feet now, or like skis.
Oh, skis.
I'm getting there.
Cartoon skis.
And look at, these are cool. So this peeler has texture. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like stripes on the carrot.
It's really pretty.
And the texture is fun. So it's different than like a shredded carrot. So it's like a little softer, but I don't know, bigger. So I like the concept.
Okay, and then I'm gonna continue. So I have all my liquid ingredients in there. I did just squirt a little bit of honey in there, or any agave, maple syrup, like any liquid sweetener that you wanted to add into there, but we like mixing those up. Again, what you have in your pantry. And then I'm gonna add this clove of garlic. So I just smashed it with the heel or palm of my hand. You can also use your chef's knife if you like to do that too, but that worked easily. And then I'm gonna use this microplane, and it has a nice handle. A lot of microplanes are just the blade part, and then it's hard to do like what I want to do right now, which is grate this garlic into our, basically, vinaigrette. Close to vinaigrette.
I noticed we made the vinaigrette in the bowl that's gonna hold the carrots, and that helps to cut down on just one more bowl, to clean afterwards. So that helps. And then by doing that, we noticed a lot of the videos, they like put the carrots in the bowl and then they sprinkled all the vinaigrette ingredients on top, which that can work. But if you do it the way we're doing, you make sure like all the flavors are fully incorporated.
Absolutely. And you can see the garlic there. Doesn't that look great?
Oh yeah,
it's
great. Grated garlic.
Nailed that one. So I'm gonna use a spoon, just get it off the other side. Just be careful when you're running your fingers on any part of this because it really is sharp. It can surprise you.
Don't grate your fingers.
Don't grate your fingers. It would not be great.
No. Also don't peel your fingers. So the fork, use the fork.
Use the fork. Okay, ginger. We're gonna just shave off the outside. Did you hear something hit the ground?
I did. Just a lid.
Just a lid. Okay.
No worries.
And I could also use a peeler to do this, but if you have anyone at home that's younger that wants to cook, any kids, this is a great activity for them. Be like, get all the brown. Okay, I'm just gonna use my spoon and pull off that outside because it's really pretty bitter. And you don't want to eat it. So this ginger though, the fresh ginger, it is delicious. And really any recipe, but fresh ginger to me makes a big difference.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, while Lindsay finishes doing that.
Had to think about that
I'm
for a
just gonna
minute.
chop the cilantro on the other side of the board. I was just seeing if I could
red
add the
pepper
carrots.
flakes. If we want some red
I do.
red pepper flakes, I do too. Okay, so we have our basically vinaigrette, that garlic and ginger look delicious in there. So I'm just gonna whisk this together and the honey. And we call this, when the oil and vinegar go together, an emulsification, emulsifying. And so it looks like one instead of the vinegar on one level and then the oil on another level. You want it mixed together, delicious.
Oh, this bowl isn't, we were worried that bowl was gonna be way too big, but.
They really grew.
Oh, the red pepper flakes, whoops.
That's okay, we're gonna do this, right?
Yep.
How about one more little pinch?
Here, and I'll go ahead and start to toss. And I have the
really
cilantro ready. I thought at first you were talking about like the garlic, because that too, fresh garlic is very
Whatever,
strong,
you
but.
know, I think that would be nice if someone liked flavor and I'd be like, oh, I like you. You like
Your
flavor?
breath is nice and garlicky. Do you want to grab the sesame seeds?
It
They
looks really
didn't.
good. They didn't
So
brown up quite.
we were toasting them because they taste better toasted, but we didn't want to burn them while we were on camera. So we turned off the burner, and they could have toasted a little longer, but toasting seeds or nuts is so important. It really transforms the flavors into something much more rich and deep and has more of that like umami, that savory flavor. So we highly encourage that. Let's go sprinkle those on. So tablespoon sesame seeds.
Perfect.
And then I think it's gonna be time to taste. Oh yeah, that's a good amount.
And
Okay.
you think, like, if you didn't have sesame seeds, would you still make this salad?
Yeah, you know what? I would also put crushed peanuts
That would be really good.
or cashews.
Crushed, roasted,
Crushed roasted. Yes, has to be roasted.
or toasted.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you a carrot strip to taste.
It's very exciting.
It does look like a tongue.
I mean, or like something from under the sea.
I think, I feel like my kids might really like it. I don't know. We'll have to see.
I'm just gonna
They love
roll
Asian flavors.
it up like this.
I'm gonna eat it sloppy.
Oh, how cute would that be? Hold on.
It's really good.
It's really good. Kind of hit me a little bit in the back. Might cheer up a little. No, but I really.
The vinegar got her.
Or the pepper.
I don't think it's
know.
too vinegary.
No, I don't think so either. I think it's really good. You could also roll it up.
Yummy. On a little skewer.
Yeah,
And then maybe put it
like in between.
back in the dressing. If you made this too far in advance though, it would start to probably like pickle a little bit because of the vinegar. So be sure you don't, if you want to make it early, or like a day in advance, I might leave the sauce separate.
What about some red onion?
Red onion, I think strips of cucumber would be yummy
I
too.
think both.
So the cucumber with the, maybe with the carrots, maybe like red cabbage.
Yeah.
Just whatever you have in your fridge, some red bell pepper, like all of that. Okay,
What do you think?
that's all we got, right?
I thought it was really good.
I like it.
I'm gonna grab another one.
I can see why it went viral.
I do too.
All right, we're gonna tell them bye?
I think it might be contagious.
Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, twtaste.com. Follow us, subscribe, do all the things.
More fun videos.
Bye.